Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Subaru Impreza. Let me just check what package this is. It's the you're choosing a winner package. Oh, because it's on the floor. Of course it is. Don't go flying. Here we go. This is the premium. Dark blue pearl over ivory. I'm gonna put this on the window because that's what happened. Nobody put the window sticker on. Ta-da! Did I seriously just cover up the sticker price? Whatever. So $22,695. Probably about $23,000. I'm an idiot. Dark blue pearl over ivory. Absolutely awesome. 2.0 boxer 4-cylinder mated to the CVT transmission. Is there a nail in the tire? No, it's a rock. Not a bad engine at all. You can get these in a manual, at least you could. Not sure if you can anymore, but if you could, that's what I would do. This one's the hatch model, of course. Faux carbon fiber trim throughout. Not a bad little car, especially for under 25 grand. Backup camera. And then into drive. Two main drive modes. I for intelligent, S for sport. Yeah, I'll be driving it in sport mode. Actually, let's try intelligent, then we'll switch over to sport. You also have a manual mode, but I never really use it because they're not gears. It's basically just designed. CVT has no actual gear ratios. It's a series of belts and pulleys that replicate gears. So it's really designed for engine braking. Not a ton of horsepower here. I think it might be even less than 150. But it's fine for what it is. It's not gonna blow your socks off, but it's also not gonna get you stuck in traffic either. I guess there was some snow in there. Oh man, that's one of my favorite things doing. The truck's been sitting, and especially snow, because it freezes up in the drain plugs. You'll just see a whole like waterfall out the back of the trucks. Don't want that getting into someone's tire. That was also very, very smooth on my part. That was perfect. Put it into sport mode. It's gonna change your throttle response and transmission tuning. It also made the steering a lot heavier, actually. I was not expecting it to have variable steering, but it does. Alright, they have to be moving all these cars around because every single time I drive by, it's a different lineup of cars, and that's terrifying. Here's what I mean by the engine braking. You put it into first and it'll slow itself down on the hill. I'm going to use manual mode just so if you're interested, you can see how it works, and also so you can hear it shift. Shift. I have to be very slow over this because it scraped the last time. It's kind of weird because even in manual mode, it does some weird shifting. So it's really, you're basically just selecting where you want the RPM to stay. Drive, sport. Matted. Really comes alive towards red line. Little sluggish in lower RPM, but once you get up into red line, you are set. Braking, awesome. Not a bad little car at all. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.